Hello everyone, Namaste. In today's story session, Tale with a Twist, we are going to do a very famous story of a monkey and the cats. Let's hear this story to see what happens when instead of sharing, we keep fighting like the cats. Once upon a time, there were two cats, Ash and Cleo. They lived together in a house. One day, while playing, they found one cookie. Ash and Cleo were fighting for the cookie. Ash said, "I saw this cookie first. I will eat it." Cleo ran to the cookie and said, "No, it is mine. I am going to eat it because I saw this first." One monkey was sitting up on the tree and watching Ash and Cleo fight. The monkey jumped down and came to them. Ash told the whole story to the monkey. Ash said, "I found a cookie and Cleo wants to eat it." And he whispered something in monkey's ears. Monkey said, "Wait, let me solve this for you. I have a solution for you both." Monkey broke the biscuit into two halves. Ash said, "No, one piece is bigger. I want the bigger piece." Cleo got angry. "No, I want the bigger piece." Monkey said, "Wait, I will make it equal for you both." Monkey picked the bigger piece, broke a piece from it, and ate it. Again, Ash said, "Still one piece is bigger." Cleo also refused to take. Monkey said, "Okay, wait, I will make it equal now." And monkey broke the bigger piece again. And again the monkey said, "Oh, sorry, one piece is still bigger. I will now make it equal." And monkey again broke a piece from it and ate it. Now the other piece was bigger. So monkey broke the other piece and ate it. Cleo and Ash were looking at what monkey was doing. Slowly, monkey ate up all the biscuit, and there was no biscuit left for Ash and Cleo. Monkey laughed and jumped and went up again on the tree. And both the cats kept looking at him and were angry and upset that their cookie was finished by the monkey. So in the fight of both the cats, the monkey took the biscuit and went away. So, do you also behave like the cats in the story? That you refuse to share with your siblings, brother, sister, or your friends and just keep fighting to get everything? Do you refuse to take turns for your cycle, for playing on the slide, or for toys at home or in school with your friends? And what happens? Ma'am comes, takes the cycle away, or mama comes, takes the toy away and keeps it up, and nobody gets it. So what is better? That instead of fighting, we should be sharing and enjoying together.